Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe my channel, and turn on the notification bell to make more videos. In this video you will know, what is a graphic design? Firstly, graphic design is visual communication through art, typography, layout, and digital tools. In graphic design, designers utilize typography, images, colors, shapes, textures, and layout techniques to create visually appealing designs that effectively communicate a message or evoke a particular emotion. First question: how you can get money through graphic design? 4 sites to earn money. Second question: what is the best site to download images with the highest quality? This is the best sites to upload images. Third question: where can I learn graphic design? You can learn graphic design from YouTube. That's all in brief about graphic design. And see you in the next video. Bye.